Fruit cakes are really nice when the fruits are in season, and also this is a really simple recipe that you can try with fresh apples. You can use any kind of an apple for this recipe, and very simple and easy. And this is a nice sheet cake that you can make for a tea party or a special function, or to have with a cup of tea. So let's start doing this. For this cake, I'm using 2 cups or 300 grams self-raising flour, a teaspoon of vanilla, 125 grams or 1 stick of butter melted, 100 grams or half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and enough milk to make the batter, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Depends on the size of the egg you are using. And 4 sweet apples, cut it into small pieces. So let's start doing this. If you like, you can add a bit of cinnamon in it to give more flavor. Into a mixing bowl, add the eggs, and then the sugar. Leave about a tablespoon sugar in the cup and add the rest. Add vanilla and whisk until pale in color. Once it is pale in color and creamy and frothy, add the flour. Then add the melted butter. Whisk again on a low speed. As you can see, the batter is a bit thicker, even though I use large eggs. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of milk and whisk again. After it is ready, then I'm going to add the apples. And the batter is ready, take it out. I lined this 8 by 8 inch or 20 centimeter cake pan. Going to put the batter in, spread evenly, and the leftover sugar, sprinkle that on top. This goes to the preheated oven, 160 Celsius in a fan forced oven or 180 in a normal oven, about 40 to 45 minutes, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the apple cake is ready, and I baked it about 45 minutes, and this is how it is. It is a soft and moist cake that I'm going to transfer it onto a chopping board, and let's cut it and see how it is. If you like more sugar, you can add more sugar to this cake. This is not a very sweet cake, that's why I added some sugar on top. Let's see a slice. It's very moist, a nice apple cake that you can try when the apples are in season. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.